Hello everyone, my name is Yanuar Reza Rafliynto. On this occasion, I will explain some information about Raja Ampat Island. Allow me to explain and let's get started. Located off the northwest tip of Bird's Hand Peninsula on the island of New Guinea in Indonesia, West Papua Province, Raja Ampat, or the Fourth King, is an archipelago comprising over 1,500 small islands, cays, and shoals surrounding the four main islands of Misul, Salawati, Batanta, and Waigeo, and the smaller island of Kofiau. The Raja Ampat archipelago straddles the equator and forms part of Coral Triangle, which contains the richest marine biodiversity
the
on
archipelago
the earth.
is part of the province of West Papua, formerly known as Irian Jaya. Most of the island constitute the Raja Ampat Regency, which was separated out from Sorong Regency in 2004. The Regency encompasses around 70,000 square kilometers, 27,000 sqmi of land and sea, of which 7,559 6 kilometers constitutes the land area and has a population of 47,818.5 as of 2018. This excludes the southern half of Salawati Island, which is not part of this regency but instead constitutes the Salawati Selatan district of Sorong Regency. History of Raja Ampat. The name of Raja Ampat, Raja, means king, and Ampat means four, comes from local mythology that tells of a woman who finds 7 eggs. 4 of the 7 hatch and become kings who occupy 4 of Raja Ampat's biggest island, whilst the other 3 become a ghost, a woman, and a stone. History shows that Raja Ampat was once a part of the Sultanate of Tidore, an influential kingdom from Maluku. Yet, after the Dutch invaded Maluku, it was claimed by the Netherlands. The first record sighting and landing by Europeans of the Ampat Island was by the Portuguese navigator George de Menezes and his crew in 2600 en route from Biak, the Bird's Head Peninsula, and Waigeo to Halmahera, Ternate. Population. The main occupation for people around this area is fishing, since the area is dominated by the sea. They live in a small colony of tribes that spreads around the area. Although traditional culture still strongly exists, they are very welcoming to visitors. Raja Ampat people are more similar to the surrounding Moluccan people than Papuan people, although they still speak Papuan language. The Muslim proportion is much higher compared with other Papuan areas, although it has to be noted that West Papua Province as a whole have larger Muslim population because of the extensive history with the Sultanate of Tidore as well as recent migration. Terrestrial. The islands are part of the Fagelkop Aru lowland rainforest ecoregion. The rainforest that covers the island is the natural habitat of many species of birds, mammals, reptiles, and insects. 2 species of bird of paradise, the red bird of paradise Paradise Sea rubra, and Wilson, bird of paradise Dipilote respublica, are endemic to the island of Waigeo, Guam, and Batanta. Marine. Raja Ampat is considered the global center of tropical marine biodiversity and is referred to as the crown jewel of the Bird's Head seascape, which also includes Cendrawasih Bay and Treason Bay. The region contains more than 600 species of hard corals, equaling about 75% of known species globally, and more than 1,700 species of free fish, including both shallow and mesopotamic reefs, compared to similar-sized ecosystems elsewhere in the world. This makes Raja Ampat biodiversity the richest in the world. Endangered and rare marine mammals such as dugong, whales such as blue oar and pygmy blue brides, less-nosed omura, sperm, dolphins, and orcas occur here. In northeast region of Waigeo Island, local villagers have been involved in turtle conservation initiative by protecting nests or relocating eggs of leatherback, olive ridley, and hawksbill turtles. Their work are supported by local government. So the explanation about Raja Ampat Island. Thank you.